Hi there, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add emotion to your AI-generated voice using ElevenLabs. Let's get started. First, log into your ElevenLabs account and head over to the text-to-speech section. Now, it's important to note that ElevenLabs doesn't have a built-in emotion feature, but you can still create emotional and expressive voice output by choosing the right voice model. To do this, go to Voice Settings, then find the option called Model. Click on the box under it, and select Show All Models to view all available options. Here's a quick breakdown of the different models and how they influence voice emotion. 11 Multilingual V2. This is a high-quality model that offers nuanced and emotional expression. It's perfect for storytelling, audiobooks, or any content that needs a rich, expressive voice. 11 Flash V2. 5. It's optimized for real-time interactions. It sounds natural, but the emotional depth is a bit more neutral than Multilingual V2. It's also 50% cheaper. 11 Turbo V2. 5. Built for developers who need fast voice generation. It maintains clarity and a natural tone but lacks deeper emotion. Also 50% cheaper. 11 Turbo V2. This is English only, with a focus on low latency and efficiency. It's similar to Turbo V2. 5 but slightly faster and also 50% cheaper. 11 Flash V2, another English-only model designed for ultra-low latency, great for real-time conversations, and it sounds very conversational and responsive. 11 English V1, this was the first model by ElevenLabs. It's quite basic and doesn't offer much in terms of emotional expression, but it still works for simple voice tasks. And there you have it. If you found my video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.